guys. You don't know what's going on. You don't know what's going on. I'm naked right now. Guys. Oh, you did not just do that. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna freaking walk on your guys' face.
That is so wrong!
You don't know what's coming! Whoa, God. Hey, if you don't mind, I'm gonna sit here.
My seat! That is so wrong.
Look at his hands are even folded in
Cuddle!
Ah, it's like
Such a
messy.
cute couple.
This is so cute. Hey, I don't like you. Why are you wearing a dress? Aren't you a guy? I swear to God, he's wearing a dress.
I think it's a coat.
Oh. Hey! Hey!
Oh! That is so bad.
Oh. How is this even physics? Look how retarded my guy looks.
That's pretty mental.
Yeah.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah, you enjoy the game. Why is it? Oh, stop. What the frick? Oh my god, okay, oh my god. Oh, okay, what is going on? Why can't I do this anymore? Okay, you can stop it right now.